Welcome to Virgo Offline, your best way to get your visa. Today we are going to download and set up Virgo system through our website. First, open your browser and search for Virgo Offline. Click here to open our website. And from home page, click on download button on top of the page. Now you can read Virgo features and click download to go to registration page. From registration page, fill your company data and click register now. Wait for download to be completed and go to your device and then go to downloads. It will be a compressed file, needs to be extracted. Right click on it and choose extract all. You can browse extraction destination and click extract. Now we can start setup Virgo Offline system. Double click to start setup. Your device might have Windows protection, so you'd run it anyway. Choose your language and click OK. We recommend to close all other applications. If all closed, click Next. Click Browse to select the location where Virgo file will be on your device. And click OK. Then Next, select the application type. If you want this device to be the main device, choose Server Application. And if it is a sub-device, choose Network Application. Then Next, choose Program Shortcuts Location and click Next. Review setup settings and install. Installation is finished now. Click Finish. Click Next and Finish. Fill the activation form with your company details. Click Activate and Exit. Click Store to search for updates. Here is Update. Click on Get Update. And this is the new additions for this version. And welcome to Virgo Offline.